How to fix iPhone stuck on white screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The most reliable and effective fix for this issue is to force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. Also, check for hardware issues. If you recently dropped your phone, or it got wet, or the white screen appeared suddenly without any updates, you may have a hardware issue, like a disconnected screen or logic board failure. In this case, book a Genius Bar appointment or visit an Apple authorized service provider. So this is how you can fix iPhone stuck on white screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.